Hello bachon, so let's read the question. The question says, read the following statements and select the incorrect one. First statement दिया हुआ है, the outer covering of endosperm separates the embryo by a proteinaceous layer called the alluron layer. Second, the tegmen is a scar on the seed coat through which the developing seeds were attached to the fruit. Third, there may be variation in the lengths of the filaments within a flower, such as in salvia and mustard. And fourth, ovary is inferior in flowers of guava and the ray florets of sunflower. So the key concept for this question is structure of seed, the variation in the length of filaments, the variation in the length of filaments, and superior and inferior ovary. सीड जो होता है उसको बोला जाता है सीड कोट. सीड कोट का भी जो आउटर पार्ट होता है दैट इज द टेस्टा, एंड जो इनर पार्ट होता है दैट इज द टेगमेन. हाइलम जो होता है इट इज ए स्कार ऑन द सीड कोट through which the developing seeds are attached to the fruit. Next is the micropyle. Micropyle जो होता है it is a small pore above the hilum. Endosperm जो होता है it is a food storing tissue. Next is the outer covering of the endosperm. The outer covering of the endosperm that basically separates the embryo. It separates the embryo by a proteinaceous layer which is called the alluron layer. Next is variation in the length of filaments. वेरिएशन इन द लेंथ ऑफ फिलामेंट्स बेसिकली दो कंडीशन में देखा जाता है. एक होता है डाइडाइनमस कंडीशन एंड दूसरा होता है टेट्राडाइनामस कंडीशन. डायनामस कंडीशन में 4 स्टेमन्स होते हैं with pairs of unequal length. टेट्राडाइनामस कंडीशन में 6 स्टेमन्स होते हैं where 2 are shorter than the others. डाइडाइनामस कंडीशन देखा जाता है सैल्विया में एंड टेट्राडाइनामस कंडीशन देखा जाता है ब्रासिका में या मस्टर्ड में. So coming back to the question में पहला statement दिया हुआ है the outer covering of the endosperm separates the embryo by a proteinaceous layer called the alluron layer. This is absolutely right. Second, the tegmen is a scar on the seed coat through which the developing seeds are attached to the fruit. This is wrong. Tegmen जो होता है वो seed coat होता है. Third, there may be variation in the length of the filaments within a flower, such as in salvia and mustard. This is also true. And fourth, ovary is inferior in the flowers of guava and ray florets of sunflower. Guava and sunflower जो है, it belongs to the Asteraceae family. And Asteraceae family में जो gynoecium होता है वो inferior होता है, मतलब it is present in a level lower than the other folds of the flower. इसमें से incorrect statement है statement B. So the final answer for this question is option B. Hope you understood well. Best of luck.